Hi guys, so in this video again we are going to confirm your 2 marks for the upcoming UPSC prelims, and in this video we are going to study about the the titles the kings and major kings of India took beside their name. Okay, now let's start with the Magad Empire. So Magad Empire, we have Mahapadmanand, Bindusar, and Ashok who took some extra titles, and that sometimes the question comes in UPSC. So Mahapadmanand was also known as Ekrat, okay, and Sarvakashatrantaka. So please pardon my pronunciation because these are big names, and sometimes it becomes very difficult to pronounce them at a single go. Bindusar, Amrita Ghata, okay, or slayer of the enemies. Ashoka, very popular, Devanapaya or Piyadashi. Now, next thing is very important, you should look carefully, is the Kushan and Shakas. Kanishka. Kanishk was also called as Devaputra. Now keep in mind, you can get confused between Devaputra and Devanapaya. Okay, so Ashoka had Devanapaya and Kanishka had Devaputra. Rudradaman I was called as Mahashatra. Okay. Coming to Satvahan, so it was Gautami Putra Satkarni who took the titles like Raja Dhiraj, Eka Brahmana, and this is really very big. So I'm not going to pronounce it, but you can read it, right? So something Tri Samudraya Pitavahana. Okay. Then it was Hala, the king Hala of Satvahana. He was also called as Kaviraj. So he had written and composed a lot of work, and that is why he was also called as Kaviraj. Gupta. So in Gupta, these three kings are very important. Chandragupta I, Samudragupta, and Chandragupta II. Chandragupta I took the title Maharaj Dhiraj. Samudragupta had many titles like Kaviraj. So even Hala had Kaviraj and Samudragupta had Kaviraj. Param Bhagavata, Lichavi Thirata, and then again some Sarvocheta or something. Okay, Chandragupta II, Vikramaditya and Sakari. Okay, now Vardhan and Chalukya dynasty. So Harshavardhan took the title Maharaj Dhiraj and Siladitya. So it is very important, Siladitya. Now you will notice that Maharaj Dhiraj is a common title being taken or assumed by a lot of kings. So of course not, I don't think so. You will get an option where Maharaj Dhiraj. In fact, all the kings will of course have the title of Maharaj Dhiraj. But important one is Siladitya. Pulakeshin II, Dakshin Patha Peteshwara and Paramveshwara. Very important, big title, Dakshin and Paramveshwara. During tripartite struggle, Dharmpal took the title of Uttara Patha Sivamim and Parambattaraka. Okay, so again I'm telling you, please pardon my pronunciation. Mihir Bhoj Adivahara, so very important. Amoga Varsha Nripatunga. So keep in mind, okay. Sangam during the Sangam age and Pallav. So Mahendra Varman and Narasimha Varman, they took the title like Mahendra Varman took Matta Vilasa, Vichitra Chita and Gunabhara. Last year there was a question as well. Option was given. So who took the title Vichitra Chita? Okay, Narasimha Varman, so Vatapi Kunda and Mamalan. Okay, then comes the Imperial Chola, that is Raja Raja I and Rajendra I. So Raja Raja I took the title Mumudi Chola and Rajendra I took Gangai Kunda. Also remember, Rajendra I was the person to build the city Gangai Kunda Cholapuram. Okay, so these are the some of the most important topics. I mean, kings and their titles. Okay, and of course, this can guarantee you 2 marks. So please go through this topic again and again and again. And of course, you can expect one question from this topic. Thank you.